What's going on, guys? Patrick here from PatrickFlowingRealty.com, and today we are spotlighting this beautiful single-family home that's going to be listed way lower than you think. We'll get into the pricing soon here. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 997 square foot single-family home out here in Ho'opili, known as Ahakea or GenHomes. Let's check it out. Now, this specific model is known as the Gen 4. They've got 4 different models, this one being one of my favorite. Like I mentioned, it's just under 1,000 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but it's pretty killer when we talk about pricing. Single family homes are hard to find under $1 million, especially when it's brand new. This one is listed for $740,000. And also when it comes to HOAs, HOA is only about $70 a month. So it's a pretty killer option. It's definitely filling in a gap in the market that we're seeing, where if you want a condo or a townhome, you've got this, but a high HOA, and if you want a single family home, you gotta pay millions of dollars. This is filling that gap. So they are going like hotcakes. Now, when it comes to the actual property, you'll see that everything is updated to the 9s, luxury vinyl plank, updated cabinets, as well as split ACs to keep you nice and cool during those Ewa Beach summers. Again, the Gen 4 is probably one of the more favorable or more popular models. The reason why, not only because of the square footage, the bedroom bathroom count, but you also have unique space that they've utilized. So downstairs, you have a kitchen, a little bit of a living room. You also have kind of a additional game room, maybe a place for storage or for the kids to hang out if they just want to play some video games on the TV right here. Now let's talk location. Now again, we kind of know where Ho'opili is. You can see it on the map right here, but more specifically, it's important to understand where that development is in the Ho'opili master plan. Now on this map, you can see they actually have a huge community park just across the street. About a block away, you're gonna have pickleball courts as well as the community pool and spa, which is very nice to have. Now, if you want to get your hands on one of these, how do you do that? Well, very simple. Reach out to me. I'll help you out. But these are already starting to drop. They're basically selling like hotcakes, releasing one every couple weeks, usually about 6 batch. And it's a first come, first serve. So as you can see in this photo right here, I've done this for my clients and I'm happy to do it for you. I've actually camped out the day before to make sure that my clients got the property. So if you are looking to get your hands on one of these, I will sleep over outside in front of the office to make sure you get it. Again, if you guys have any questions when it comes to Ho'opili, anything when it comes to real estate out here in Hawaii, feel free to reach out to me. Got my contact information right here, or you can directly DM me on my social media platforms. I'm Patrick from PatrickFlowingRealty.com, powered by eXp Realty. Hope you have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.